Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Today we have to discuss how to can design a garden and what is a basic principle of design a garden and which things we need to design a garden. People are spotting garden, rooting grass, preparing beds, sowing seeds, planting trees and watering crops on frequent basis. By working both morning and evening, they keep the garden neat and tidy. The manure in the garden as well, it is a very essential to take care of insects crops in the garden. For the crops, insects can be dangerous. On the crops, flowers and fruits, they lay eggs, picking insecticides and can destroy these eggs. In the soil, lamb is occasionally planted to kill the germs and bacteria in it, so the soil fertility improve. While when crops grow in the wild, and in the homes or yards include individual as well also go grow certain crops, bushes and trees. And this activity is referred to as a gardening, although it may seem to some as a hobby. The reality is the gardening is truly quite useful and therefore essential to us. Gardening is an activity that is a quite physically. It includes wedding plants, watering, drizzling, harvesting, all of which involve the garden physical labor. It therefore become a great complement to your work routine. Gardening is a very practical activity as well. You can develop your own vegetables and fruit so that you have good food on the table. Gardening appeals to the need for beauty in human beings. Ornamental gardening is happy with beauty to our side. Furthermore, flowers are a component of a most occasions like birth, anniversaries, wedding, birthdays, and funerals. Here you seen different type of flowers, different type of plants in gardening is the important part of a good life. When you want to spend, you should have good garden. If you are interested in gardening, it keep healthy as well. Seen greenery.